Hello everybody. I think I'm going to really have to talk up to this video because I just set up for the video and a really big storm is coming over and it's just pouring, which we actually really need the rain here in Australia at the moment because it's been a bit dry. But I'm pouring on an MDF round. It's 35 centimetres by 35 centimetres. We get them from Kmart here in Australia for about $3. Excellent for drilling into the centre when you finished your work to put a little clock mechanism in, or you can hang them, or the other idea of what I'm going to do with a few of my finished ones is with some string. Can't show you, but with the string I'm going to, after it's fully finished, glue the this heavy sort of rope around. Can't show you, I'm just trying to, I'm going to sort of glue the heavy rope around the edge for an effect with a little hangy thing. But so that's just ideas, but I'll show you that in another video. So at the moment I'm just putting this blue over one that I'd poured on that I didn't like, so I'm going to use my Mont Marte pre-made paints for this one, so no effort required. It's just I can just come straight in and use those pre-made pouring paints from Mont Marte, because you haven't got to mix any pouring medium or mix them up, or I haven't got to wait like I look. Wow, we're getting a lot of rain. I haven't got to wait, like I like to mix my paints when I'm mixing them myself, and I wait at least 24 hours before using them, because I just find that I get far better results. So with the pre-made ones I can just do this, pour straight away, which is good fun. So I'm going to use, these are pre-made metallics from Mont Marte, and I believe you can get them in Australia and the US and even the UK. So I've got the gold, the silver, the rose gold, the bronze. I've got everything here. So I'm going to do this little round. I'm going to use these metallics. So I'm going to do a bit of a twist here. So oh my goodness, I'll give it a shake, and it decided it wanted to jump out at me, so I'm going to, I'll use where it decided it wanted to go on its own accord. So that was the silver, and I'm about to use the bronze. So just another little abstract idea that I had that I thought I'd try. Okay, I've got the rose gold, so I might do the rose gold like this. I might just do a slight S-bend over here. Wow, we really are. Oh, and thunder as well. My goodness. It's been probably several months since we've had a really good downpour. We've had bits of rain, like a shower and that, and I'm in Queensland on the coast, and we normally get lots of rain when you're living on the coast, but it's been winter and it is renowned for being a lot drier, but we are well into spring. So after this downpour, I am excited to see how much my garden shoots up So this is kind of a fly by the seat of my pants type. Oh, okay, pour. Some more silver in there. Okay, that's all I'm going to do with that at the present time. As you know me, things can change. Okay, this is my tool that I have found so useful. It's just a $2 silicone pastry baster thing that you can baste pastries or whatever with. $2. So this would actually be good. Not that I really are worried about doing any, but I see lots of the ladies love to do the chameleon pours with their silicones. That might be good for a chameleon pour, but I'm going to use it as, and I have done in previous videos, for my swipey tool. So, because it's very pliable. Wow, that rain is really... Oh my god, that is gorgeous. I'm not sure if you're seeing the absolutely stunning glistening effect in that. That is very nice. So this will be going on a nice big pour next, because that is just lovely. Lovely, jubbly jubbly, lovely lovely. Very effective. Probably only needed to put one of those lines, but painting. So stick it. Don't really see, you can just use the very edge. This is a super duper tool. Go buy yourself one, $2. It is really nice to work with. It's doing an excellent job with these pre-made. These Mont Marte pre-mades are nice to just come out, like I just come out of my art room. I had no intention of painting today. I've got no paint made up at the moment. As you know, I like to make my paint up at least 24 hours, but I wanted to come and paint, so I thought, oh, super duper, that I can just come and use my pre-made and get fantastic effects like this. Yeah, so if you're in Australia, I have an online people, lovely people, Diane and Anthony. They're in the little V on the bottom of my video. If you click on that link, it'll come up and you can click straight on their website to have a look at what they have. Really reasonable prices, probably the cheapest that I've seen on Australian online. Might go back the other way with this. So what I just thought was add in this really vibrant blue, which is the let me see which it was, the cerulean blue. It just gives these metallics really nice platform to show their beauty. But you know what, as usual, I've put too much paint. No, sugar! I think maybe I better turn my video off. Okay, so if I get strike and you know, something terrible happens, like everything nowadays, it's on video. Oh, okay. We have got everything on our system, electrical system here, to cut out when there's any danger. Oh my gosh. But this is so cool. Very, very nice. I don't want to get rid of all the blue, so I'm going to give it a wave over with my butane torch. Then I might have to turn the video off for a while until this storm POs. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, okay. Torch, wanting to give it these little Mont Marte pre-made pouring paints. Look, you just get them out and pour. How fantastic is that? So that's very striking, but now I've seen how wonderful that comes out on there, I'm going to do a ghost pour on a 30 by 60 with that. But it's that little swipe tool, that little pastry tool. It's a really good, because it's silicone, it's pliable. Next time I just don't need to use as much paint. Lesson learned. Well, no, I don't know my lessons. I do it every time. Silly me. Okay. That's gorgeous. Give that one a go, or let me know what you think. Got some nice lacing in there. Thank you very much for joining me on this very stormy Queensland afternoon. Thank you so much for subscribing, and more particularly for watching my videos. And yeah, free to join me on my Acrylic Art by Gillykube Facebook page. Until next time, see ya.